Just a second, sir. Yes, Mr. Swapnil Mokashi, over to you. Just kindly give us the introduction of Marathi Entrepreneur Network Forum. Why? What is the Marathi Entrepreneur Network Forum? Please, sir.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. First of all, thanks to Surendra and MEN team that you have given me the opportunity to introduce MEN Forum. Basically, Marathi businessmen have started this forum named as Marathi Entrepreneur Network Forum. Marathi Entrepreneur Network Forum was started on 23rd of June 2015, and till now they have conducted 196 meetings and generate a business of more than 35 crores. To attain financial stability and satisfaction, every businessman dreams for development of his business, and MEN Forum provides a platform of this business to make his dreams successful. MEN Forum working and provoking more business leads to each other through meetings. What MEN will forum do? Basically, we analyze members' business and try to give them a global opportunity. We help Marathi businessmen to motivate in his professional and business skill sets. We do regular meetings, weekly meetings actually, and promote them to participate in it. We organize exhibitions and industrial visits for their members. Also, MEN do education sessions for members and many more. What are the benefits to become a member? Member can promote his business among the members and globally. MEN also helps to increase business professionalism and improve own business qualities. And third one is to become a member, you can participate in the education sessions and several exhibitions provided by MEN. So we request you all to please join Marathi Entrepreneur Network Forum and follow our slogan, Chala Vyavasay Vadhuya. Thanking you all. Over to Surendra.
Thank you, Swapnil sir. Thanks for the introduction. I request Anupama to give the introduction about the today's speaker. Anupama, please unmute yourself.
30 तू 10, 20, 25, 30 असं आम्हाला सांग.
Anupama, you are not visible. Anupama, please speak. Please unmute yourself and just go ahead. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello everyone. Anupama here on behalf of Maratha Entrepreneurs Networking Forum. So today I introduce like Explore of Maharashtra, a different, vibrant, hidden Marathi culture. On its first webinar, we are introducing agrotourism. Through agrotourism is known to most of us, but the unique and award-winning tourist attraction destination is Farm of Happiness. Farm of Happiness is situated in Taluka Fungus, Sangameshwar, district Ratnagiri. And the said concept and properties setup done by Mr. Rahul Kulkarni and Mrs. Sampada Kulkarni. Both are well educated, both are born and brought up in Mumbai. And Mr. Rahul Kulkarni was doing her his career media and advertisement, and Mrs. Sampada Kulkarni was doing her career TV shows, TV serials, and classical dancing. So I request you to Mr. Rahul Kulkarni. Over. Rahul sir.
Okay. Thank you, Anupama. Before we proceed ahead, we want to take some poll because some people are requesting for the Marathi, some people are requesting for Hindi, and some people are requesting. So I'm launching a poll. Just answer the questions immediately so that we can move ahead very fastly. We have only 10 seconds. Okay, as per the poll, as 100%, 86%, 97% voting is done. Only 3%, 3 people have not yet voted. Kindly request you to please vote so that we can close this. Okay. Thank you guys. And out of this, 53 people are saying English or Hindi hybrid, where Hindi is requested by 27% and Marathi requested by 20% only. So I request we will continue with the English only. So thank you, Anupama. I request Mr. Rahul Kulkarni to take ahead. Rahul, over to you.
Are we audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Wonderful. So thank you, Anupama, for the introduction. Thank you, Surendra, for welcoming us here and giving the baton over to us. And thank you all the Marathi Entrepreneurs Network Forum people to bring us in here, to give us this opportunity to speak to such a wonderful and such a wide spectrum of travel professionals. So where we all welcome you and we all thank you to join us for our presentation on our property Farm of Happiness Agro-Tourism Homestay.
Yes,
so we will not remain visible most of the time, and you will hear the audio as we are going to share a presentation with you while we talk to you.
Okay, sir.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So over the last 2 months, the world has changed quite a lot. We all know that. We will not waste time talking over it. But the new world will evolve soon, and most probably most of the travelers, rather a new generation, a new breed of travelers will emerge from all this new world, and that will be seeking a lot of serenity, a peace of mind, purity, and they will look for content in the idea of travel is what we believe in. What they will be looking for an experience that will help them contribute to the way of living that the life that they've been living. So welcome to you all to the western coast of Maharashtra, the Konkan, the jewel of Maharashtra, but the unseen, the unexplored Konkan. We are not talking here about Goa and the beaches of Maharashtra that you guys so far know as much as Konkan. We are talking about the interiors of Konkan, the rural and the beautiful Konkan, full with valleys and mountains, a lot of greenery, a rich, very, very rich biodiversity of lives and flora and fauna. And most importantly, Konkan, the real Konkan, that is a small world in itself, a really sustainable, happily self-sustainable world in itself. So welcome to Konkan. Surendra, I request you to play the video, the aerial video.
Sir, sure, sir. So you have to stop this screening from your end, then I can able to share.
I will.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Have you sharing the screen, Indra?
Yes, sir.
So we hope that you all could see this video flawlessly and could understand what kind of a property we are. As you all must have seen, we are not close to any beach, but we are on a plateau, the head of a hill amongst the range of Sahyadris. See, there is quite a sparse forestry around. There are beautiful valleys around. And this is where Farm of Happiness is situated, in a completely serene environment, and a very, very rich biodiversity rich area, which is a blessing, absolute blessing to nature lovers, people who seek peace and serenity, people who are offbeat travels, people who love to go to such unknown places. It's actually a heaven for such people. So this farm is situated in a small village called Fungus in the Ratnagiri district. This is where we live as farmers. And as you all can see on the screen, we grow quite a lot of different crops throughout the year. There are cashews and there are mangoes, which are the most known from Konkan. So is the paddy, that is rice. We also grow a lot of turmeric. We grow a lot of cucumbers. We grow watermelons. We grow yams. We grow vegetables. A huge list of crops is grown here for our own sustainability at the farm. At the same time, the house, as you could already you could see in the previous slide, is situated amongst the dense greens, the orchard around the house itself. A Mangalore roof, traditional Konkani house is what you can see is the property where we share our small heaven with the guests. We don't call them travelers really. Yes. It's a very, very earthy room, earthy home, yet filled with a lot of warmth. We love to host people, we love to host guests, and we love to share our experiences and our culture, and most importantly, our learnings from nature with our traveler guests. The very reason we host the guests ourselves, me and my wife Sampada, this is very much a homestay and not a resort and not a hotel. It's Farm of Happiness Agro-Tourism Homestay. So what is agro-tourism? I hope you all are being able to see a slide with a cross mark on it on the screen right now. This is the typical definition of agro-tourism that has become popular in the country right now. Swimming pools, rain dance facilities, loud music, a lot of alcoholic drinks availability, and a lot of fun that happens within the vicinity of a look-alike of a farm, but which has got nothing to do with a farm, because most of the times there aren't even any crops growing in that area, in that zone, which is supposedly agro-tourism. Agro-tourism for us means we are farmers, as you can see in this slide right now. That's myself in the paddy fields, in the rains, and in the next slide, you will also see Sampada working in the paddy fields. As a family of farmers, we live here, we grow our own crops, and what we do is we share the learnings. We try to spread awareness about farming, which is about the food that you all eat. So even if it is farming, eventually it is food that we all eat. So the travelers here get a fantastic opportunity to understand, to physically see in person the farming, the crops that they consume in their lives is something that they can see growing in the farm. They can touch and feel. They can experience a life of a farmer by staying with us, and a lot of questions get answered.
जब भी हमारे यहाँ ट्रैवलर्स पहुंच जाते हैं तो उनके मन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और उन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर देना हमारी जिम्मेदारी हम समझते हैं, क्योंकि जितने भी दिन वो हमारे साथ गुजारते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, जैसे सब्जियां कैसे उगती है, हल्दी जमीन के नीचे या ऊपर आती है, काजू के पेड़ कैसे होते हैं, आम साल भर क्यों नहीं मिल सकते, या तो एक प्लेट चावल उगाने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, और रागी में न्यूट्रिशन कैसे भरा हुआ होता है, वगैरह एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। इन सब क्वेश्चंस को आंसर तभी मिलता है जो जितना भी वक्त हम उनको दे सकते हैं, और वो हमारे फार्म में जैसे घूमते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, कुछ एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, तो उन्हें अपने आप उसके आंसर्स मिल जाते हैं। क्योंकि डे टू डे लाइफ शहर का और गांव का, जहाँ पे फार्मर काम करता है, खेती करता है, वहाँ का जीवन ये इतना, मतलब ईस्ट है तो एक वेस्ट है, इतना बीच में अंतर है। और दूसरी बात यह है कि ये सब जान के किसी को एजुकेट करना, ये हमारा एक अंडर करंट है हमारे काम का, लेकिन वो जो एक्टिविटीज हम सब करते हैं उनके साथ, तो एंटरटेनमेंट होती है, क्योंकि ये सब किया हुआ नहीं होता है। मतलब पानी में पैर डाल के वो धान हाथ में लेना, या तो उस पानी के साथ खेलना, या तो आम निकाल रहा है, पिकिंग करना है तो वो आम को महसूस करना, टच करना, सब्जियों को महसूस करना, टच करना, ये सारी बातें बच्चों के बारे में मैं कहूँगी उनको इतना भी सिखाएगी कि हम जो चावल एक दो चावल डालते हैं, निवाले डालते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं, तो उसके पीछे कितनी मेहनत होती है फार्मर की। और बड़ों के लिए ये थोड़ा मैसेज होता है कि बहुत सारे साल के बाद आपको समझेगा कि आपके पास बैंक बैलेंस होगा, कार्ड्स होंगे, लेकिन खाने के लिए चावल नहीं होगा या तो फूड नहीं होगा, तो उसका आंसर हमें खुद को ढूंढना है।
Yes, that's right. Sampara put it very, very rightly. In fact, in the current situations, we have all come to know the real important things of life, and food happens to be on top priority here. This is the very reason Farm of Happiness has emerged amongst the most responsible, most sensible idea of agrotourism, most responsible and most genuine definition of agrotourism. This is where you can actually experience growing your own food, you can see it, and that's the very reason that a lot of thousands and thousands of travelers who have already experienced staying here have loved the experience. Beyond that, the most important part is the accolades that those have been offered to us. The one on the screen that you see right now is the Outlook Responsible Tourism Award that we won as the best responsible homestay in year 2017. After that, the most known online travel portal, that is TripAdvisor. We have been the winners amongst almost 45 odd properties in the Ratnagiri district. We've been number one for last 5 consecutive years, starting from 2015, 2016, 2017, 18 and 19. We've always been on number one amongst 45 odd properties in the Ratnagiri district. For last 2 years, we've also won their Traveler Choice Awards in 2018 and 19. Beyond these awards, a lot of attention we got from media, that is from the travel industry. So what you see on the screen right now is a 3-page story that the most known travel magazine of the world called Lonely Planet that got us covered in 2000. National Geographic Traveler, another most known, very widely, very well-read travel magazine across India and even beyond India, Also did a cover story on Farm of Happiness in 2018. That's what you see on the screen right now. Beyond these two magazines, a lot of newspapers, most known newspapers of the country like Times of India, Hindustan Times, Deccan Herald, and many more have covered us, have created a story, have written a story about us, because they really find this to be the new age idea. They really want to talk to the new age, the new breed of travelers that I've been constantly again and again talking about. The media wants to connect to these people and tell them the newer opportunities in the world to experience different type of tourism. So beyond the farm experience, what all can one do here? The image on the screen that you see right now is a couple that loves coming to Farm of Happiness for bird watching. Bird watching is one of the most favorite activities in Farm of Happiness, because like I've been saying that we are a very, very biodiversity rich region. So we see a lot of species of butterflies and insects and birds in and around the farm. We have around 90 plus, almost close to 100 species of birds. Those can be spotted across different months of the year, and that's why it's a heaven for bird watchers. Beyond that, there are treks in the valley. In the monsoon, there are a lot of waterfalls that people love to trek, and you can actually enjoy these waterfalls, drenching in the waters and the rains. There are boat rides that we arrange with the local fishermen in the village, in the backwaters, in the farm. And you can't do a bullock cart ride? Of course, that's possible. And it's not just a ride. In fact, we even teach you to learn to ride a bullock cart, and we even then offer you a bullock cart license. Yes, another most interesting activity for all the fish lovers. You are talking to the property hosts in Konkan, and of course, how cannot you talk about fish? This is a heaven for fish lovers, simply because we not only get the fish from the market, but we also take people who are keen on going for a fishing experience, which is called night fishing. We can take you for night fishing, and then we fetch the fresh pick, we bring it to the farm, and then we cook and serve it to you. And the most known, the international attraction currently is the petroglyphs. These are the 10,000 BC old, before Christ. I repeat, more than 10,000 years before Christ. So old carvings on the plateaus, on the rocks, have been discovered in Konkan region, and a few spots, some 3 or 4 spots, which are hardly 5 or 6 kilometers away from the farm. That's an international attraction right now. A lot of foreign tourists are flocking to come and witness these archival or the World Heritage quality material. So here you see a beach in Konkan. Like I said, we are not a beach property. We are not very close, but that doesn't mean we are far. Only 35 or 40 minutes away from the beautiful beach of Ganpatipule. The blue waters and the blue sky that you see on the screen right now, and the white sand, is the beach of Ganpatipule. The pale creamy yellow temple head that you see is the most famous, the most worshipped Bhagwanji of the country. That is Ganeshji, a very popular destination, holy pilgrimage destination, and a beautiful beach. When you talk about sea, like I said, we also are known for the wonderful fish and the seafood varieties and the non-veg varieties that Konkan is known to most travelers as. But let me warn you, and let Sampada explain it to you, that Konkan is not only fish.
And my department, that's why. अभी आप देख रहे हैं वो फिश की बहुत ही बेहतरीन डिश है, मुंह में पानी आ ही गया होगा। कोकण में कोस्टल एरिया में हम जब रहते हैं, जब बीच के पास रहते हैं तो तभी फिश मिलता है, उसके फार अवे भी रहते हैं तभी फिश मिल सकता है। आप जैसे पहले देखा आपने कि आप भी फिश पका सकते हो और खा सकते हो, लेकिन हमने यहाँ पे ऐसा एक थॉट हमारा फिक्स है, वो है कि खाने में यहाँ पे जो डाइवर्सिटी है, मतलब यहाँ जो उगता है और यहाँ बहुत कुछ उगता है, तो उसमें वो जो खाने में डाइवर्सिटी है वो कैसे आई है, तो आम है, काजू है, जैक फ्रूट है, कटहल कहते हैं, कोकम है, इन सब सब्जियों से अचार बनता है, रायते बनते हैं, वैरायटी ऑफ भाकरीज भी होती है। मतलब सब्जियों में भी आपको किसी एक टिपिकल महाराष्ट्रियन रेस्टोरेंट में आप जाते हो, तब भी आपको वो मतलब
ये
जायका
डिश आपको
और
कभी
ये वैसे ही मिलेगी ऑथेंटिक, ये हम बता नहीं सकते। लेकिन यहाँ पे हम जिनके साथ काम करते हैं, हमारे साथ जो लोग काम करते हैं, वो जो रोज खाना खाते हैं, तो वो कोकण की स्पेशलिटी है। आप देख रहे हैं, भाकरी है, झुनका है, कांदा है, ओनियन, ठेचा है, मिर्ची का अचार है, उसके बाद आप देख रहे हैं, वाव मोदक है।
स्टीमिंग
अभी
हॉट मोदक।
मतलब नई पीढ़ी को पता है अभी मोमोज, लेकिन मोमोज के पहले भी उसके माता पिता है हमारे लिए, वो है मोदक, नारियल से बना हुआ मीठा ये मोदक है, और ऐसे गरम गरम हम बनाते हैं, सर्व करते हैं। उसमें पपई होती है, हाँ, चीकू,
इसके अलावा पपई है, पपीता यानी कि चीकूस है,
करेक्ट,
यहाँ के
पाइनएप्पल है,
सीजनल करौंदे है, पाइनएप्पल्स है, नारियल है, केले है, such a fantastic diversity of fruits and food. So if मतलब जैसे संपदा
मत,
कहती है कि
हाँ, मतलब ये हम बनाते हैं, मतलब हम इसका रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, और ये रिस्पेक्ट और यहाँ आने वाले लोगों को भी हम सिखाना चाहते हैं कि इस फूड का भी रिस्पेक्ट होना जरूरी है।
या मतलब ये सब नहीं खाया तो क्या
क्या
खाया,
खाया
मतलब आप कोंकण आए तो सिर्फ फिश खा के नहीं जा सकते, ये सब खाएंगे तब आप जानेंगे असली कोंकण क्या होता है। और ये सब जो है, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द डेलिकेसीज एंड द फूड दैट इज गॉट द कल्चरल कनेक्ट विद कोंकण. It is what we serve here most of the times. We insist on 40 or 50% of the food served every day, on every meal, on every breakfast, that has to be from our own farm. That's why what you see is the fresh pick from the farm. So as a traveler, you get the opportunity to walk with us into the farm, choose the vegetable that you would love to eat for the meal, pick it yourself, and join us in the cooking of that particular variety or that particular recipe in the farm. You can choose to grow your own food. You can join in different seasons. You can join us in different seasons in growing different grains, harvesting them, sowing them, maintaining them. Any of these activities, you can join them. You can have the complete farm to plate experience. You can have the grow your own food experience, because that's the most important part. इसके बाद में I will request सुरेंद्र जी to play the video that is about our walkthrough of the house, because that's most important. आपको जरूरी जानना कि यहाँ की accommodation कैसी है. So सुरेंद्र जी, over to you, and I am stopping my sharing screen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So the point now we would like to come to is the house that you just saw. It's so beautiful. So we've got this traditional setup of this house that is like it has got cow dung floorings. It has got 6 individual rooms with 6 attached bathrooms that you could see how spacious and how clean and neat they are. The house has got all the earthy and the basic comforts. Those are all the rooms are non-AC, and you don't need much of description beyond this video. If you go to YouTube on the channel of Farm of Happiness, you will see both the videos that we just shared with you in detail whenever you want to see that, as well as we will be sharing our website details with you at the end of the presentation. So beyond that, I don't think I need to talk about the stay facility. What I will quickly bring you to now is how do you reach here? So what is important to know is that reaching here is the best possible route. If you love driving, then surely it is drive it yourself from wherever you are. It's the most scenic place ever, and you will love the drive here. And we can be, once your travelers are making a making a reservation with us, we provide all the details to them, inclusive all the touch points, all the best stops for the bathrooms, and the snacking in between the route from wherever we could help them. But that applies to mostly the travelers from Mumbai, Pune, or the Maharashtra region. We ourselves have not ever traveled all the way from the eastern coast, that is from Calcutta, Bengal, or from up north towards Farm of Happiness, but we will make sure that we find out the best route possible and help you with that. Also, the second best route is Konkan Railway. The images that you see on the screen right now are of Konkan Railway. You can see how beautiful and scenic it is. One of the trains on Konkan Railway called Janashatabdi has got this beautiful Vista Dome compartment with these large windows that can let you enjoy the scenic Konkan while you travel into Konkan. Ratnagiri and Sangameshwar Road are the closest stations, railway stations, from where we can arrange pickup for you. So that's not a problem. From there, the farm is either 30 minutes or only an hour's distance. So 30 minutes only from Sangameshwar Road station, as well as only 1 hour from Ratnagiri station. The closest airport, the best high traffic airport, is Goa. That has got a great frequency from all over the country. The second best or the closest, and which is Goa airport, is only 250 kilometers. So once you arrive at Goa International Airport, reaching down here is merely a 4 or 5 hours drive for you. So yes, that's all about us, and we really thank you all for being patient with us. We request you to spare us if at all there have been any technical flaws, if the visuals or our audios have not been clear at all. And I request Surendraji to take it over from here, or tell us if you would like us to share our contact numbers and details right now.
Sure, sir. Kindly share the details, sir.
Kindly share the slide.
Yes, please, sir. Please, sir.
So while I actually bring up the screen and share it with you all, let me also start verbally telling you. Our website is www.
A second, sir.
क्या हुआ
this is the contact number of the Farm of Happiness. Is it right, sir?
Yes, there are more. This one is an old slide. I am sharing the screen right now. Just one
Okay.
sec. Allow me to share the screen.
Please, sir.
Yes, are you seeing it now?
Yes, sir.
So the website is simple, farmofhappiness.com, www.farmofhappiness.com. The mail is also very simple, info@farmofhappiness.com, INFO, info@farmofhappiness.com. And the contact number is 7620775521. I repeat, 7620775521.
Thank you, sir.
And all these details are available on the website as well. So we are done. Thank you once again. Thank you so much to all of you from me and Sampada.
Namaste and thanks a lot, Surendra ji, Sanjay ji. Thank you very much. Now we can start our question answer
Yes.
session.
If you anybody has a question, if you want to ask the question, kindly raise your hand, or you have a buttons in your mobile. So just click the button, or you can question in the chat box. Are the travelers given the question? Okay, the first question arrived from Viplav Satam. Are the travelers given the opportunity to take home products from your farm? Is it? Can
Yes,
they buy the product from your farm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, very much. So there are things those are grown and are not perishable, and there are things grown those are perishable as well. So as long as there are grains, there are processed products. For example, we make jams with our fruits. So surely those are available throughout the year. The cashews are processed; they are baked and stored at the farm, and even those can be bought by the travelers. They can buy grains from us. They can buy our homemade pickles from the farm products, from the farm fruits and all that. So yes, very much people can buy squashes and juices, whatever. The only thing is we are not a commercial farm. We do not aim at making these products available all the time. Whatever is surplus is always kept available for sale.
Sir, another question they have: how many rooms we have, bedrooms we have with us, and how many people can accommodate with you at the same day?
Okay.
On a same day, sorry.
So, yeah. So we have 6 rooms in totality. We have 2 floors, the ground floor and the first floor, as you must have noticed in the video. On the ground floor, we have 3 rooms which are adjacent to each other. In between the 3 rooms, there is a common lobby, like a living room that is shareable. That's a common area for everybody. In all these 3 rooms, 3 individual families can live, or even one group can come in and accommodate into all these 3 rooms, as well as the 3 rooms on the top floor. So in totality, we have 6 rooms with individually attached toilet bathrooms to them. And considering 4 people into each room, we can accommodate 25 people at comfort if it's an entire one group, so that there is no privacy issue with other guests and all that. In that case, the numbers can go up to 30 or 40 because the common areas can also be included for laying extra beds.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir. It's so many questions are coming. Everybody is asking your accommodation and everything details. Someone is asking, the question is how to reach from how far Ganpatipule is, how far, and is there sightseeing? Are you providing any sightseeing in the package or something?
Fantastic. Yes, Ganpatipule is very much within the reach, as I mentioned in the flow of the presentation also. The beach of Ganpatipule is approximately 26 kilometers right from the farm. As soon as you step out of the house from here to the Ganpatipule temple, the distance is merely 26 kilometers. considering the narrow and the curvy routes, the travel time to Ganpatipule destination is nearly 40 minutes from the farm. 40 minutes, 40. And we do provide travel facility. We can call for cars, either AC or non-AC, depending upon your requirement, for you to take you to Ganpatipule to stay with you and to bring you back to the farm as well.
Okay. I think
Another
yes,
farm.
Yeah, outside the farm, within the farm, you don't need any vehicle. But for all the other sightseeing possibilities, that is Ganpatipule itself, the Ratnagiri city, if one wants to go there to see the beaches, or even there are some pilgrimage places around, even those are beautiful. For the petroglyphs, for all of these, the travel facilities can be hired from within the village. Within 1 hour's call, within a 1 hour's prior notice, they can be always booked.
Vishwaranga Tours are asking you a question. Vishwaranga Tours, ji, just kindly switch on your video and just go ahead for the question.
Sorry, come again?
Video question.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Please. Yeah. Vichara.
Yes, so the question is, what would be the B2B rates for us? Would you be providing any B2B rates for us?
So, madam, the fact is that
Hello?
we are not disclosing the B2B rates or the B2C rates right now here. We have our website based on which you will come to know a basic tariff. We will be taking the tariffs differently when we will actually start hosting, and that time we will take it as one-on-one. You will have to get in touch with us on phone or mail, and we will discuss that later.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Vikram Shrotri is asking some question. Vikram, please just go ahead.
Actually, the same question was raised by me in chat also. Is there any difference between B2B and B2C rate? Because normally, Konkan person or hotelier, it is complained by all the tour agents or travel operators.
Okay. Yes, sir.
They are not is given and the same rate is given to traveler or tour operator. So this is the problem with Konkan hoteliers. It is not only my experience, but many tour operators have, I think, experienced the same.
Okay.
We do appreciate your concern, Vikramji. The only point is, like we said earlier also, is that we will not be discussing the tariff issues right now here, because this is not a forum. So this is morely about presenting the different Konkan to you. You all please do note that we are not a hotel and we are not a resort. If you go to the TripAdvisor sites and if you see the reviews that we have received from the travelers that have stayed with us, you will come to know the quality of our service and the quality of the experience that the travelers avail here, which will upgrade the bar and the expectations from you beyond, just because you recommend such a property. So I think I will not advocate the Konkan travelers, the Konkan hoteliers right now here, but we will please take it one-on-one when we discuss this on phone later on.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Tushar is asking the question. The Tushar from Sun Tourism. Yes, Tushar, please ask the question, please.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Actually, in between my line got disconnected. I just want to check if that's not covered, or if you can repeat for me. The package, as a package, do you give us what are the things in that?
Okay, the package is not disclosed in the flow of the presentation, and we have been just discussing the same on the previous two questions as well. We are not discussing the tariff here, though our B2C tariff you will be able to see on our website, which is www.farmofhappiness.com.
Sir, I'm not asking. Yeah, I'm actually not asking the rates, because you have clearly mentioned that. I wanted to know the kind of inclusions that you will give in the rates. That's what my understanding.
Okay, I understand. So basically, our package, the tariff is for 24 hours, starting from today morning to tomorrow morning, which includes one breakfast, 2 meals, that is the lunch and the dinner, and the evening tea and snacks. All of this in unlimited quantity in vegetarian is inclusive of the tariff. And the tariff is for 2 people.
Okay, great.
Beyond that, we also include the farm tour, which is about taking you to the farm, which is about 2 or 3 hours activity. We actually take you on the entire round of the farm, which is 20 acres approximately. We take you through whatever ongoing crops and on all the ongoing works, and we explain you the connection of the soil and the elements in the nature and how all of it contributes to our food. So one charge any extra.
Complementary.
Great.
It's a
Okay.
complementary activity. It's a by
Even
default.
stargazing is also a complementing activity.
Yeah, there's stargazing also we do, which is a complementary activity.
The other thing I wanted to check, because Konkan happens to be a little humid and thing like that. Just wanted to understand, do we have battery backup kind of thing, backup there? Generator backup?
Yes, we do have a battery backup of almost 24 plus hours. And thankfully, we haven't experienced any traumatic situations as of now. That doesn't mean that we will never. There could be some accidental effects because it's also a jungle area. So
Correct.
the cables, the electricity cables do run through jungles, and animal hitting the cables or a branch of tree falling onto the cable or some maintenance work going on.
But
There
we
are
have a battery.
we have a decent battery back.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. That answers my questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tushar. Jagdish
More
Mali is
questions?
going to ask. Jagdish Mali is going to ask the question. Jagdish, please go ahead. Jagdish.
First of all, yes. Thank you very much for this presentation, Surendra. Rahul sir, Sampada ma'am. Sampada ma'am, a lot of times we are seeing it on the TV, on the Chala Hava set, etc. So first of all, we are so jealous about you that we are all sitting in the lockdown in Pune and Mumbai, and you are enjoying at the farmhouse. But really,
We're
it's
so
fantastic.
sorry.
So sorry for that.
No. It's a really fantastic because what travel agents, what we are used to say was the commercial properties and the beach properties, etc. But this, what you have presented, it's a very fantastic property. And the first slide you have shown it, which is a big question mark, or you can say a cross mark, that we are not giving these things in your farmhouse.
Yes.
That actually was very nice for you. So thank you for the presentation, and we look forward to coming to visit your place. Thank you, and thank you, Surendra, once again.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Jagdish.
Jagdish. You're the very positive response, and something that we were really looking up at is this particular response, because that one slide means a lot to us to set the definition of the kind of edutainment that we provide, the kind of travel idea that we want to bring forward, the kind of logic and concept that we want to educate such a professional forum of travel professionals is that one slide. So that one slide meant a lot to us. Thank you, Surendra, for bucking us up and cheering us up on that one slide. That got us a lot more confident to keep that slide.
And you got that.
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else who want to ask the questions? Yes. My wife want to ask the questions. Just please.
Okay, first of all, thanks for such a nice session. It was really an informative one. मला एक प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे की कोकणात इतका पाऊस आहे, heavy rains are there, so which will be the best season? Which will be the best season for the whole year? I mean, considering the whole year, which will be the best season for the customers and for us to visit to your farm?
Oh, that's a beautiful question. I was expecting that. And in fact, this is something that we should have included in the FAQs. If we included how to reach us as Konkan Railway, we talked about Goa International Airport, we should have considered this also. This is the most commonly asked question, and let me assure you that Konkan has its own charm of all the 3 seasons. Right now, in midst of summer, we are sitting on this machand, which is shown there in the video also that you saw in the second video. We are sitting right now on the same machand here, and we are answering your questions, and there is no fan running above us. The fan behind us is also not on, simply because it will create some wind noise into the camera. So it's not on. We are still not sweating, and it's peak 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and yet it's beautiful and breezy. This is the charm of summer. Also, the way the property is developed, summer does not really scorch us at all. I mean, the entire place is full with huge mango trees. I wish I could show it to you. Okay, here it is. Can you all see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the entire property is like that. We are on this Machand right now, and there are these huge mango and cashew trees around us, jackfruit trees around us. So within 5 or 10 steps, you can walk into the shade of any tree. The house has got manglore roofs and cow dung smeared flooring. That's why it remains cool even summers. The summers, the highlight are the mangoes and the cashews and all the fruits. In monsoon, the highlight is the lovely greenery. It's unmatchable. It's unmatchable. I mean, thousands and thousands shades of greens, streams and puddles and waterfalls literally everywhere around the property. Lots of different birds, animals, flowers, plants, trees, vegetables. We have a beautiful season of wild vegetables in monsoon. And of course, winter has its own charm. So what a very nothing else remains. Yeah, actually, त्याचं डिप्लोमॅटिक आन्सर असं होईल की जे ज्याला जसं सूट करतं, ज्याला पाऊस आवडतो धोधो, त्यांनी पावसाळ्यात आवर्जून यावं आमच्याकडे. They should not miss the rains in Konkan at all. Traveling is not at all difficult. In last 12 years of our practice here, we've never got stuck. Not even in the 26 July rains in Maharashtra. And other seasons have, as I said, they have their own charm. So whatever suits you. And in fact, once people come to us, most travelers do say that we would love to come for the next season now. We experience the winter, we would like to come for the summers or the rains. And that's what typically happens. Most of our travelers are repeat travelers and they come at least thrice a year for different seasons.
Okay, thank you, sir. We will take a last question from the travel fraternity. You were in the glamorous world and you have turned into a farm. So, I think you will answer this question. That will help us a lot.
Actually, we both glamorous field for Rahul. It's also a glamorous field. It's an advertising field. For me, it's a glamorous field regarding acting, direction, and all. TV serials. But my answer is simplicity is my DNA. So जहाँ पे सिंप्लिसिटी है वहाँ पे हूँ. मतलब मैं काम भी करती हूँ. मेरा अगर आपने एक्टिंग देखी है, डायरेक्शन देखा है, डांस देखा है, तो कल्चरली रिच और सिंप्लिसिटी जहाँ है वहाँ संपदा है. तो अर्थात कोंकण में जो है, मुझे जो घर मिला है, हमने जो ये डेवलप किया है, उसमें भी बहुत ही सिंप्लिसिटी है जो कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ेगी. ऊपर का दिखावा जो है वो कब का, मतलब ज्यादा बारिश गिरता है तो मेकअप तो हट जाता है, कोरोना फैल जाता है, तो ये सब जो ऊपर का क्रीम जो है केक के ऊपर का वो चला जाता है. तो पहले से ही मुझे नीचे का केक ही अच्छा लगता है. तो मेरे लिए ये आसान ट्रैवलर, मतलब मेरे लिए एज ए ट्रैवलर ये आसान हो गया ट्रैवल करना शहर से गांव में. और
तुमचा स्पीकर बंद झाला.
Yes, yes.
Time slot done, na?
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thanks to you. Sanjay sir, I will request you to go ahead for the vote of thanks so that we can able to conclude.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Thanks to Rahul and Sampada.
Thank you, sir.
A direct view from your farmhouse to all of us. I think the last participant from Shillong.
Okay.
Just chat. So I think it is more than sufficient to whatever our aim for today.
Yes.
तो आपने आज टाइम यहाँ पे स्पेयर करके बस सभी लोगों को आपका फार्म हाउस का डिटेल दे दिया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद. Once again, wherever the time, हमारे साथ आप जरूर होंगे. Thank you. Once again, thanks to AMI team.
Yes, sir.
Anupama and Surendra.
Thanks, Anupama, from us also. Thanks, Surendra. Thanks.
And once again,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, before we end, let me announce once again. We are having a sessions for 6. We are going to have 6 sessions. That is, today is Monday. We have conducted today's session, Farm of Happiness. Now we have more 5 sessions every day: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So 5 sessions are remaining. Every day we will be at 2:30 p.m. every day, and we will have a different location with different such kind of lovely people. So stay tuned, stay connected, and stay at home. Be safe. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.